Since we can rewrite radicals as fraction or rational exponents, that means that all of our exponent rules can be applied. So we can use this to combine different radicals. So you might have heard before that you can only combine radicals that are like terms, and that's true if you leave them as radicals. But if you rewrite them with exponents, then you can combine them with exponent rules, as long as they have the same things on the inside. So the first thing we're going to do, right, we want to make sure that we write our answer in exponential form. So that means I'm going to rewrite these as exponents first. So I have my 5, right, and I have 5 squared, so I have 5 squared, but I have an index of 3, so I'm going to divide that by 3. And here I have that invisible index of 2. So I'm going to have 5 to the 5th power, but I have an index of 2, so I'm going to divide that by 2. So then we have the same base. So because these are both 5s, we can apply our exponent rules. If they were different numbers, we wouldn't be able to do this. So because we are multiplying, I'm going to be adding my exponents. So I'm going to go off to the side to do my fraction math. So I need a common denominator here. So my common denominator is going to be a 6, because 2 and 3 both go into 6. So to make 3 into 6, I would have to multiply by 2. So I'm going to multiply the top by 2 and get 4. 2 I have to multiply by 3, so 5 also gets multiplied by 3. So when I add across, I'm going to get 19 over 6, which means that my new exponent is 19 over 6. So my final answer is 15 raised to the 19/6 power. So let's do another one. So same thing, it applies with variables as well. So we're first going to rewrite them as exponents. So I have x to the 4th, but I have a cube root, so I'm going to divide that by 3. And then I have x to the 7th with a 4th root, so I'm going to divide that by 4. Again, I'm multiplying, so I'm going to add my exponents. It would help if I wrote the numbers correctly. There we go. So we have 4/3 plus 7/4. So their lowest common denominator for 3 and 4, 3 and 4 both go into 12. So to make 3 into 12, I would multiply by 4. So I multiply the 4 on top by 4, so I'm going to get a 16 as my numerator. And 4 needs to be multiplied by 3, so 7 gets multiplied by 3 and becomes 21. 16 plus 21 is 37, so I get 37 over 12 as my new exponent. And we just want to be careful that we're writing that as an exponent, so you want to make sure it's definitely up in that upper right-hand position. There we go.